Hi there. Are you a writer? Are you an unpublished writer? Do you have a book inside of you waiting to come out, or maybe you've already put it out into a manuscript, or you're this close to finishing, but you're frozen because you don't know what steps to take next to get your book published? Hi, I'm Sean McNamara from Mind Possible, and I'm the author of this book, and a whole bunch of other books. And I've been writing and self-publishing for the last 7 years, and it's been a joy to share what I have to give with the rest of the world through publishing my own work. And now I'm at a point where I'd like to share everything I've learned over the last 7 years with you, the unpublished writer. Traditional publishers are dinosaurs in this day and age. They still want to take 80% of your royalties, more or less, and still ask you to do all the marketing yourself. Or there are vanity publishers out there who want to charge you several $1,000s to print your own book and send you boxfuls of it, and you take care of the marketing. Both of these are outdated ways of getting your work published, and thanks to businesses like Amazon, you can self-publish quite easily. But there's a little nuance to it. There's ways to make your life easier or harder through the self-publishing process. And there are also great ways to market your work, which is a big part of publishing and releasing your work. There are great ways to do it that don't cost $1, or some other ways that cost very little. It doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg to market yourself, to tell everyone what you have to offer. So I'm giving a special self-publishing workshop. It's about the publishing process and the marketing process, sharing everything I've picked up over the last 7 years, releasing all of my own work. So whether you're this close to finishing your manuscript or you've got one ready to go and you're tired of looking for agents, you're tired of interviewing publishers who want to take most of the profit and make you do all the work, if you're tired of all that and you want to get your book out in the next few months or sometime this year or next, sign up for my workshop. Visit mindpossible.com, go to the classes page, and you'll see the listing there.